born to flex. Diamonds on my neck.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and of course it has to do with some mom products. Let's get into it. So I was sent this box from Unimomus. It's a portable breast pump. Y'all know I'm so hyped to get into this package. It came with pump and storage bags. It looks like it's about 20 of them in here. And then it came with extra pump and storage bags. I'm going to open it and we're going to see what the bags look like. Okay, so these pumping bags go up to 8 milliliters, which is a good size. And then on the side of them you write the name, date, and time that it was pumped. So this is how it looks. I'm trying to see how it works. You actually have to open it. Wow, that's cool. And so this is what it goes to get the milk inside of there. Now I like this. This is really cool. Okay, so that's the pump and storage bag. So put this back. Oh, I'm looking at it now. So in the directions for the use, it says that you can directly feed with a nipple. You can use a spoon, and of course it's a breast shield kit when you pump. So I'm already loving the pump and storage bags from Unimomus. Now for the big product, the actual portable breast pump. So again, it's by Unimomus. I'm actually going to pause the video now to take a few photos with it. That's how excited I am. Alright, so we are back and I'm ready to open. Okay. And again, it's named Unimomus LCD Double Electric Breast Pump. It's made without BPA, has a micro USB, is portable and quiet. It's the double electric breast pump. Okay, let's get into this package, y'all. So as soon as I open it, it has a booklet. And this is what the inside looks like. It comes with the actual pump, a bottle, and a flang. But it's a double, so I'm pretty sure there's one probably at the bottom. So I am taking it off. Here's a close look at the bottle that it comes with. It's a 5-ounce bottle, the nipple, of course, and a cap. The actual flang for pumping. And this bad boy that runs the whole process. So I'm going to put the box down. I'm going to play with this a little bit. And as you can see, it doesn't need any batteries. It's rechargeable. So I'm going to turn it on. And as you can see, it's that's a massage feature that it has. Doing that pumping motion. And you can increase it. It goes to 7. And that was massaging. Massaging goes to 7. Expression goes to 9. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. It's so cute. It says off. Alright, let's get to the rest of this package. It's a box inside of a box. So inside this box is another flame. I'm so hyped about this, y'all. Oh, excuse me. Another one. I need to actually look at the menu so I can make sure I'm telling y'all the right names. Okay, so This is the breast shield. I have 4 breast shields. This is the silicone massager. So this is gonna be my best friend. And we have another bottle and another breast shield. Of course, we have the cords to connect to the pump. Here's the USB. It's like a USB. It's a the USB port looks like. The actual end of it looks like an Android charger. So this is the USB charger. And the wall plug. And then we have 2 bottle holders. They hold the bottle. They call them a bottle stand. We have 2 bottle stands. So just to test it out for the actual video, before I'm going to go sterilize it, and I'm going to go pump. I'm going to want to pump really quickly just to see how good or how strong it is, so we can see, is this a good breast pump? Is it good for you mamas? The working mama, the on the move mama. I need a portable pump, and I'm hyped to try this out. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So you can use the silicone massager. You just put it right in here, y'all. Boom, boom. And it like fits around the breast shield. The assembly is pretty easy. I'm loving it because, duh, it's my favorite color. Okay. I'm powering it on.
This massage feels amazing.
Okay, so I'm going to take this massage silicone off, and I'm going to try the expression mode. Yo. Wow. Yo. I love this pump. Yeah, wow. Okay, I'm going to see if I can show y'all without showing my goods. And that's a level 4. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's a 6. It's pretty strong. I'm going to try a 9 just for the camera. But the 6 is good enough, honestly. Wow. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just so fascinated with it. Wow. You guys, so I'm in love with this, and I normally use a different pump, a pretty well-known name pump, but this Unimomus pump takes the cake. Oh my goodness. Wow. I love this pump. And so I'm gonna take it off and just show you what I pumped just during this video. So I literally just turned off the Unimomus portable pump. I'm in love with this pump, you guys. And so just within my duration of that, what was that? Less than 5 minutes, maybe 2 minutes. I pumped 1.5 ounces. Come on, what? Seriously? Yeah, we just recording a video. We just recording a video. So yes, I I definitely recommend this Unimom pump. It's amazing. It's portable. And it's faster than any other pump that I've used. It's faster than hand expression, of course. You guys, get this Unimom pump. Period. I'm leaving the link below, you guys. This is a lifesaver. I'm so happy that this was sent to me. And I'm about to use this every single day throughout my pump journey. As an exclusively breastfeeding mom, that's me. This pump is everything, y'all. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
I was born to flex. Diamonds on my